guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how we will do a partition in a particular drive or volume on hard disks in your Windows 10 operating system, and after that we will learn how to delete that particular drive or volume. So without taking much more time, let's get started. So first we will see in this PC. Here I am using 3 numbers of partition, or you can say volume or drive. So volume C, D and E. Suppose in D drive I have a lots of files including photos, videos, PDF, documents, personal and official files. And now I want to segregate my personal files in a separate drive. So I need to create a separate drive for that under the volume D. So for that, what you have to do, I'm going to show you. Let's close this window. Just right click on this PC, and from here you can choose manage. Click on it. It will take some time. After that, computer management page will open. So what you have to do, in the left side panel under storage you can find disk management. So double click on disk management. From here you can find under disk 0 you can find volume C, E and D. So I need to create another drive or partition under volume D. So what you have to do, you have to select volume D, then right click on it, and from the list you can choose shrink volume. Click on shrink volume. It will take some time. Querying volume, then you can find shrink D. Page will open. Total size before shrink in MB 220936. Size of available shrink space in MB megabyte 204053. Enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. What size you want for your partition. Suppose I want to create 5 GB of size for my personal photos, to keep my personal photos. So as we know, 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. So I need a 5 GB. That means it will be near about 5120 MB. So I have to put here 5120 MB. 5120 MB for my 5 GB allocated space. After that we need to click on shrink. It will take some time. You can find 5 GB free space is allocated over here. So then 5 GB space is already been allocated. So I need to name this after that. So what you have to do, click on this drive, right click on it and click on new simple volume. From here, welcome to the new simple volume. The widget helps you to create simple volume on a disk. So you need to click on next. From here, specify volume size. Maximum disk space is MB 5120 simple size. So leave this as it is and click on next. From here you have to click on assign the following drive data. So for your choice you can select any drive for your particular 5 GB space or drive. So here I am using drive H. After that I have to click on next. From here, format partition. To store data on this partition you must format it first. So I need to format that particular space before using it. So do not format this drive, this volume. No, I need to format this drive. So I have to click on format this volume with the following settings. So there is the file system, NTFS, FAT32. Now you are going to confuse which file system we are going to use. So actually I am okay with NTFS. It's a new technology file system, or you can say NTFS file system has a larger disk utilization and can manage disk space more effectively compared to FAT32. Actually FAT32 is an older system that cannot store individual files larger than 4 GB. So here I am going to select NTFS from the list and perform a quick format and click on, after that click on next. So completing the new sample volume wizard space, you need to click on finish. Now you can see it will take some time. Now you can find from here new volume H is already been created. So this is one volume C, E, D and H. So let's see from my computer, from this PC you can also find C, D, E and H drive. So this is how you can create a partition in Windows 10. So now I am going to show you how to delete that particular drive also. So for that also same things, you have to right click on this PC and click on manage. Then click on under storage, click on disk management. Suppose I have a 4 drive over here, so I need to delete this drive. Before deleting the particular drive, you need to back up the content of this particular drive. So in order to delete that particular drive, right click on it and click on delete volume. Delete simple volume. Deleting this volume will erase all data on it. As I have mentioned earlier, all the data will be deleted. So you need to back up any data you want to keep before deleting. Do you want to continue? Yes, I have already taken my backup. So do you want to continue? Yes, click on yes. Then you can find your volume H drive is already been deleted, and for that 5 GB space will be allocated. So this space is not in use right now, so I need to use this space in my D drive. So for that what you have to do? So what you have to do, you have to click on drive D, and after that right click on it and you have to click on extend volume. So welcome to the extend volume wizard. You have to click on next. From here you can find maximum available space in MB 5120, that means drive H that I have already been deleted. So select the amount in space in MD, same space I want to allocate in my D drive. So kept it as it is and click on next. After then completing the extend volume wizard, click on finish. Now you can see the H drive is already been deleted and all the allocated space will be merged with drive D. So I have to close this and I have to check it from this PC also. From here you can see only my 3 drives. So this is how you can delete the particular drive, but remember before deleting please back up your old data. So that's it. Always thanking you guys for watching my video. If you really like this, please do subscribe and share it with others. Thank you.